Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we are going to know the colors name. Green color, pink color, olive color, yellow color and brown color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 10. First, 1. Number 1. Next, 2. Number 2. Next, 3. Number 3. Next kids, 4. Number 4. Next kids, 5. Number 5. Next, 6. Number 6. Next kids, 7. Number 7. Next kids, 8. Number 8. Next kids, 9. Number 9. Next kids, 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. 1, 0, 10. What we learn? We learn 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 0, 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.